ये पूरा एरिया आप देख रहे हैं, ये पूरा मार्केट स्क्वायर एरिया है। और यहाँ पे एक चर्च है और मार्केट स्क्वायर एरिया के बिल्कुल पास में जो सामने आपको बिल्डिंग दिख रही है, ये आर्ट गैलरी है। डर लग रहा है कि गिर गए तो ठंडी में हड्डियाँ जम जाएगी। चलो घूमते हैं, रात में देखते हैं सिटी कैसी दिखती है। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, सुबह के 9:30 बज गए हैं और हम लोग रेडी हो गए बाहर जाने के लिए, सिटी एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। मैं अपने होस्ट का घर दिखा देता हूँ जहाँ हम कल नाइट में आ गए थे। अगर आपने कल वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो देखो, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो था। ये हमारा रूम था, 2 बेड मिले हुए थे। हाय। वहाँ पे रजनी सोया था और ये मेरा बेड था। और आप छत का व्यू देख सकते हैं। एक्चुअली वुडन का रूम है तो थोड़ा ठंडा लग रहा था रात में, बट चलता इतना तो। और ये सेकंड रूम था, यहाँ पे भी 2 बंदे काउच सर्फिंग के लिए रुक सकते हैं। दिस वन इज अमेजिंग, सनलाइट के लिए। और हम लोग फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे थे, अभी मैं नीचे का दिखाता हूँ आपको। Hey. It's another room and ये मेरे होस्ट हैं। And there is another room। ये किचन है, यहाँ पे हम बैठ के रात में 2-2.5 घंटे तक बातें कर रहे थे। ये पूरा किचन एरिया है। टाइम हो गया 10:45 और अब हम लोग आ गए अपने होस्ट के घर से बाहर। और अभी हम जा रहे हैं कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट करने, कोई कैफ़े देख रहे हैं आसपास मिल जाए। उसके बाद जाते हैं थोड़ा सिटी को एक्सप्लोर करने। शाम की 4 बजे की रिटर्न की बस है। फलाफल, कॉफ़ी, मफ़िन, ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद मिलते हैं। ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे। और मैंने आपको बताया था कि हम लोग 3 बंदे काउच सर्फिंग के लिए रुके हुए हैं उस घर में। और जो तीसरा बंदा था हम दोनों के अलावा, वो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बंदा था। एक्चुअली वो आयरलैंड से था और वो मोर देन 50 कंट्री ट्रैवल कर चुका है। और सबसे मेन बात यह है कि वो इंडिया में भी 2 महीने ट्रैवल कर चुका है। दिल्ली में, शिमला और मनाली, ये अपर का जो नॉर्थ पार्ट है उसमें। क्लिप देखो। Can you share your experience?
Yeah, so I was in India 10 years ago.
Okay.
And I did one of the most amazing things in my life there.
Okay.
So we arrived in New Delhi and we were there for a few days, and New Delhi was just absolutely amazing.
Okay.
For me, what hit me the most was how alive it was.
Okay.
You know, obviously
I think maybe the crowd,
yeah, people everywhere, but also the traffic and the way everything flowed.
Okay.
So it was like a river.
Okay.
And everything just went, and you know, there was obviously chaos with the traffic and all this.
Yeah.
But it was really beautiful the way just everything just happened and it worked, even
yeah,
though
it's like everything is organized.
Yeah.
Look like that, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after Delhi, and we went up to Shimla.
Okay.
That was beautiful, really liked that. We had to get our passes to go into this restricted area in the mountains.
Okay.
And then we spent 2 days going by jeep to Spiti region. We walked up a valley for 3 days.
Okay.
And we had base camp there.
Nice.
And then we climbed the mountain that had not been climbed before. So
Okay.
that was just absolutely amazing. And it was a beautiful place. Like for when we were on the top for 30 miles, or as far as we could see just mountains.
Okay.
It was beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. And then when we were up there, close to where we were at our base camp, these 2 gaddies from Rampur
Okay.
moved in, and they had travelled for 1 month
How about the Indian people?
The Indian
Are
people.
they like helpful?
Oh, very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah, and very joyous and very curious as well. So
Okay.
let's say if we had a problem or something,
Yeah.
like 10 people would come.
That's nice.
And some people would look, but some people would help, and then some people would talk amongst each other. How do we do this? How do we fix
Okay.
it? And even when we got a taxi once in Delhi, it was one of these old, I think Hindustan taxis. I think I'm not sure. It's a black, really old car. And it's beautiful. And it took maybe 6 people to get the car ready for us to go. One guy to clean the seats, one guy to clean the windows before we started, and then another guy to start the car, and another guy to push. And that was just, it was comedy, you know. Everyone.
He's doing their part.
Yeah, everyone's doing their part and everyone's involved. And then when we were in the mountains, we didn't meet many people. You know, we were in a really remote place. And then afterwards, again, then we finished in Manali. That's where we went to after the mountains. We were in the mountains maybe for 3 or 4 weeks. And then after then again, it was beautiful in Manali, and like we met lots of nice people and always willing to tell their story. In the middle of nowhere, I got the train once, and in the middle of nowhere, there were people. It was just like, wow. Yeah. So like for me, where I live in Ireland, it's the southwest. It's kind of remote, you know, and quiet place in the winter, especially in the winter. It was like, wow, so many people.
Yeah.
And the food was amazing. Food was delicious. I really, really liked it.
Might be spicy.
Yeah, spicy, but I'm used to it. But yeah, not all the time.
Okay.
You know, like for 2 months, it was a lot. But yeah, delicious. The street food was really nice, and then some restaurants were absolutely amazing. So, because India is so big, I only saw a small part. Like, you know,
I'm like. Yeah. India is like a full of Europe. You will find every country in India.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I only saw like such
little
a
part,
yeah. So, but then we became Indian then, and we just
sometimes you are like you have to do that.
That was really, you know, because it doesn't like. Sometimes we're very like this in Europe, you know, and it was nice to have something completely different. And then the other thing, the trains.
Okay.
You can wait until the last minute to jump on the train. I really love that, because in Europe everything's too safe and too much danger everywhere.
Like certain time to close the door. But in India it's open.
Open, yeah.
You can enter any time.
And I used to love hanging out on the platform with these guys who just, the train would move and we'd wait until the last minute, run, and then jump onto the train. Just because it was fun. Yeah, and sometimes on the roof with the taxis as well. That was really cool as well. Yeah, so things like that I loved, you know, that it's really full of life, and it's not you know, there's not this you can't do this, you can't do that.
Well, thank you. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
Thank you for hosting us.
You're welcome.
Thank you. See you soon. ये सबसे पुरानी बिल्डिंग है फिनलैंड में जो अब तक यूज़ में